Hi there, this is Pratyusha from Pratyusha and this is my entry for Dress My Craft Crown Season 2. In this video, I'm going to share how to make this beautiful 3-dimensional Christmas tree. So let's get started. To make the leaves of the Christmas tree, I will be using shrinkprink glass frosted sheets. As the name suggests, it has a glossy side and a frosted side. So on the frosted side, I'm going to draw a few leaf shapes. One thing to remember while drawing the leaf shape is that when heat is applied to the sheet, it will shrink by 50% or more than that. So draw your shapes accordingly. I then cut them out with scissors. Next, to color the leaves, I'm going to use dark green and light green soft pastels. I applied the color using my fingers onto the frosted side. For some of the leaves, I'm only going to use the light green, but for the others, I'm also going to intermix light green and dark green. Remember that the colors will intensify as we shrink the shrink prink. Once all the coloring is done, it's time to experience the magic of shrink prink. So here's a glimpse of the magic. So I take one of the leaves and place it over the foam pad which is covered with cloth. I apply heat with help of a heat gun. The sheet starts to curl up and shrink, and it flattens down itself when the shrinking is complete. At this point, take a ball tool and just press as shown to incorporate a curve into the leaf. Here's a closer look at the same. Shape all the leaves similarly. Next, let's make the base on which these leaves will be adhered to. I take the dark green cardstock and draw a semicircle and cut it out. I then shape it into a cone. With help of the hot glue gun, I start adhering the curved leaves prepared previously onto the cardstock base. Remember that I had colored a few leaves just with light green and few with dark and light green. I'm going to use that to make alternate layers. I first glue down the light green ones and then the dark green ones and continue to do so till I reach the top of the cone. So this is how the tree has turned out to be. It's time to decorate this now. For decoration, first I'm using the Christmas strings die set. I die cut it multiple times using DMC gold cardstock. I'm going to detach each of those elements from the string and save that string as well. From some of the pieces I poke out those golden dots and save them as well. I then glue two similar ones together so that both the front and back are both golden. I place glue on one end of the string and press down firmly on the top of the tree and then twirl it around and glue it down to the bottom part of the tree as shown. Next, it's time to adhere the other elements from the Christmas strings die set. This is how the tree now looks after adding the elements from the Christmas strings die set. Next, to add some bling, I will be adding some red, beige and cream sequins from the mini sequins family set. I draw 2 stars on the gold cardstock, cut them and glue them together. I then adhere it onto the top of the tree. For the sentiment, I used the season greetings die. I cut it out multiple times from DMC white cardstock and then once from DMC gold cardstock. I stack the white cutouts and slightly offset the gold die cut to add a shadow. Let's now make a few gift boxes. Take the red cardstock from DMC topical cardstock measuring 1.5 inch by 2 inch. Score at 0.5, 1 and 1.5 inch on the 2 inch side and 0.5 and 1 inch on the 1.5 inch side. Make cuts as shown in the video and glue the box shut. Make 2 more such boxes. Cut thin strips from DMC gold cardstock to decorate the boxes and also to make a bow for the box. It's time to get everything together. I take a wooden log and adhere the tree. Next, it's time to place in the gift boxes and the sentiment. And it's done. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I loved making it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.